Good morning, everybody. Welcome and welcome back to another video. And this morning is Monday. Wah, wah, wah. And it is like 7 o'clock in the morning. And we in Maine, we're experiencing some bad weather. It's supposed to be like snow, freezing rain, change to rain, and all that stuff this morning. And oh look, that wasn't even a snowplow. I come over here and this guy wasn't even, I thought it was a snowplow and it wasn't even a snowplow. Oh well, better be safe. But anyway, Maine is experiencing a winter storm. It's supposed to start as snow, then change to freezing rain, and then change over to rain, which is always a really big mess. In 1998, we had this huge ice storm here in New England, and it took out everything. There was like power lines down, trees down everywhere. I don't think it's supposed to be that intense, but we're supposed to get something. I'm out here super early. I'd rather it be out at 7 o'clock when it's just snow rather than being out when it's freezing rain or rain. I'd rather not be out when it's raining because that sucks. I see a plow truck. Not sure if he's coming this way or not. I'll have to check. Okay. So it looks like the state plows and stuff are out sanding the roads and stuff. And because it's Monday, chances are that I don't think there's school until like the first of the year. Dude, I can't believe we're going to be in 2026. That is so crazy. I can't believe that the year has just went poof. I'm gone. But yeah, it's been an interesting year. It's gotten better. We went and gassed up here in Maine, and I think we only put like $15 of gas in our car, and it was like half a tank. $15, and it was half a tank. Of course, we got like one of them little tiny cars and stuff, but that's pretty good. I mean, it's better than what it was. But yeah, the snow here is like light. It's snowing lightly, but it's moderate. You know what I mean? I don't know if I explained that correctly, but it's yeah, it's snowing pretty good. Oh, and if you don't know who I am, hi, my name is Cindy, and I do a lot of walking vlogs. I walk around my town for my wellness, and I take you along with me on my journeys, and today it's gonna be fun. Oh, I gotta move over because there's a big 18-wheeler coming. Oh, that's not even a big 18-wheeler. It's a little box truck with no writing on it. That always is interesting. These are the sidewalks I've been walking on. It's not really a sidewalk, but it's not too bad. I got to stay out of the roads because, well, look at them. It's awful. But I probably am going to stay in town. I'm just going to walk around town. I'm not going to go anywhere big because it's supposed to change over to freezing rain and then eventually rain. And like I said before, I don't want to be walking in the rain. So we got this guy cleaning up, which is cool. Little bitty bitty. This is cool. Oh, wouldn't it be cool to like go around town with that? Oh, that's so cool. He's cleaning up the sidewalks. I better move out of the way though, because he's probably gonna want to go down here on the bridge. Whoa! Hopefully you don't get stuck. Come on, go. Ha ha. That's cool. Oh, he's cleaning it up. Oh, he's taking off. He's like, yeah. Oh no, it's right there. I might do a TikTok. Oh, there goes a plow guy. They'll probably go around all the businesses and stuff like that and plow up the businesses. Oh, he's got one of them, like, ice things in the back. Yeah. So, as you can see on my jacket, I don't know if you can hear it. It's almost like freezing snow, like it's almost like ice that's hitting my jacket. So it must be like almost freezing. I wonder whatever happened to that guy on, I think it was it on Christmas Day or something? He come over and he was like over here on the circle, and I was standing like right here, and he comes around this spot right here, and all of a sudden he like, his car dies or something, and he's like got his four ways on, and he gets out and he's all like like that. I wonder whatever happened to that guy. But I don't know, that was quite the character. I took off. There goes the mail guy. I took off because when you have somebody that reacts like that, I mean, really strange, then and I'm the only one, like it was Christmas morning and there was nobody around. It'd be different if there was like mad people around, because everyone in town knows. They're like, hey, you're the girl that walks around town and all the time. And I'm like, yeah. Oh my word. Okay, this is a YouTube update. So I have reached 800 and something subscribers, almost 900 subscribers. And I'd like to thank all of you very much for subscribing to my channel. And I appreciate that tremendously. And if you haven't already, subscribe now. Now, the link is in, the button is down below. And I have to come over here maybe, because there's a plow truck coming down. But yes, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I am reaching 1,000 subscribers. That's going to be so awesome. Thank you so much. And, ooh, check this out. I don't know if he's going to keep going, but down that road. Yeah. This is so cool. It's gonna go down my favorite river road. And then we got some people down here. We got an uptick in traffic. Hopefully I'm not distracting these people, because most likely I am. Because they always, I mean, it's a person standing on the side of the road. And I live out in the boondocks. Who else is gonna friggin' like look? All right, so I'm gonna cross the street. Hopefully I don't get ran over. All right, so I'm across the street now. I'm supposed to be walking. Yeah, so this is what it looks like out here. Probably just walk around here. I'll probably just walk around. I'll do like by the post office and stuff like that, and see what I can get into today. I'm staying around town. See if there's any people like spitting them up and stuff. Usually around Maine, we're pretty like conservative. We don't really, people don't really hot dog around here, like drive like 90, especially when it's snowing out. People are usually pretty easy does it when it's snowing out, because who wants to pay a higher premium on their car insurance? Not me. But yeah, so if you like my videos and you want to see more, like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, and with your help I'm hoping to do so. Like one or two of my shorts got like 20,000 views. That's so crazy. Oh my word. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Watch my vlogs. Watch my other vlogs. And like and subscribe to my channel. In the description down below is a link to my link tree. Has all my social medias on there. Like, share, comment on all my videos. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope everyone has a great New Year's. Drive carefully, drink responsibly. I know I'm an old lady, but it's the truth. And have fun. Just go out and have tons of fun. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next adventure.